Hey, I'm Francesca with In-Home Respiratory, and I'm here to talk to you today about some issues and concerns that you might have with your CPAP, BiPAP, or AutoPAP machine. So one of the most common calls that we have from patients is usually water droplets in their face, gurgling noises in their tubing, or their pressure has decreased while they're sleeping at night. That all can be caused due to condensation buildup in their tubing. So I'm working with a Luna G3 AutoPAP right now, and I just turned it on so you can hear what the gurgling noise sounds like in your tubing. You can also tell that there is actually no pressure coming through, and that's because that water is causing no air to flow through that tubing. So some ways that you can get rid of this problem. First of all, you want to make sure that you drain your tubing, okay? So this is usually due to the water buildup in your tubing from your humidifier. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. You might want to make sure that your machine is always lower than your head, okay? That way, this tubing can constantly drain at night, and there's nowhere for that water to gather while you're sleeping. Also, you can make sure that you don't fill your water chamber up all the way to the line. You want to leave just a little bit of area. That way that water can't get back into that tubing at night. Lastly, you can always check your humidification level. So on this Luna G3, you have to have the machine on to check your humidifier. Once it's on, you want to make sure that your blue square, which is where your humidifier is highlighted. Once that's highlighted, then you can click your knob to highlight the number. Now our number is highlighted. Once you highlight that number, you can twist your knob to the left to decrease the amount of humidification that you're going to get from that chamber. We've got ours off right now. If you want to turn it to off or any number that's lower than what you have now, that will help decrease the amount of condensation buildup in the tubing. Once you've on that desired set number, click your knob, and now your humidifier is set. If you have any other problems or questions, you can always call us at In-Home Respiratory. Thanks.